Are you trying to decide between AdMob and Unity Ads? You are not alone. Many developers face this choice. In this video, we'll compare AdMob and Unity Ads to help you find the right fit for your app. Both tools help you make money through ads, but they have different features and strengths. AdMob is a popular ad network from Google. It allows you to display ads in your mobile apps. You can choose from various ad formats like banners, interstitials, and rewarded ads. AdMob is known for its easy integration and strong reporting features. It's great for developers who want a straightforward setup. On the other hand, Unity Ads is designed specifically for game developers. It offers a seamless experience for in-game advertising. Unity Ads focuses on video ads, especially rewarded videos which are popular in gaming. It also integrates well with the Unity game engine, making it a top choice for many game creators. Now, let's look at the key differences. AdMob has a wider range of ad formats, while Unity Ads focuses more on video ads. If you are making a game, Unity Ads might be better for you. But if you have a non gaming app, AdMob could be the way to go. When it comes to features, both platforms offer analytics and user targeting. However, Unity Ads shines in its video ad performance. AdMob has more options for ad placements and formats. Pricing can vary, but both platforms offer free options. You can start using them without upfront cost, but expect to share revenue with each. In the end, if you're a game developer, Unity Ads could be your best bet, but for general apps, AdMob might serve you better. If you found this comparison helpful, please give us a thumbs up